Wake Nemo
I'm
up.
coming. Nemo, it's time to wake up.
Give me 5 minutes. I just want more sleep. Oh my god, who are you?
Haha, you can run from me.
Help! Where are we?
You are in my cave.
Dad, help me.
Dory, where is Nemo?
Oh my god, Nemo was just here.
Who are you?
It doesn't matter who I am. I have your son. If you don't give me 10,000 fish dollars by tomorrow, you will never see Nemo again. Give me back Nemo. Go ahead and try me. Ha 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 ha.
What are we gonna do, Marlin?
We have to save Nemo.
Okay, let's go.
Dory, we have to be cautious.
Got it, Marlin. The shark is here.
Ha ha ha, you cannot beat me. Dory, stay behind me.
Marlin, are you okay? Marlin, he's way too strong. We need to think smart.
Hey Dory, I have a plan. Alright, let's go.
Nemo, where are you?
Dad, I'm right here.
Let's go home.